Hello guys, today I have an English lesson for you in which I am going to explain the difference between the prepositions in and at. What happens is that many people use these prepositions interchangeably in their English conversations, which is incorrect. So what I will do is that I will explain the difference between these two prepositions with the help of a few pairs of sentences. So in each pair of English sentences, I will use both the prepositions in and at. So let's begin. The very first pair of sentences I have for you is I am in college. Now, if you take a look at this sentence, I have used the preposition in. So the preposition in indicates that you are a student. So it indicates the status being a student of a college. It is not referring to your physical location. Let's say I am a college student. I have some enrollment in a college and someone asks me, what do you do? So I can say I am in college. It means I am studying in college, but that is not my physical location when I am communicating that with someone. So let's take a look at second sentence. The second sentence is I am at college. Now this is being referred to my physical location. So when I use the preposition at, it gives you information about my location. It means I am at the college building or I am in the college building, but I am near my college building. So let's say I visit your college and I receive a call from someone and they ask me about my location. So I can say I am at a college. So in order to visit your college, I don't have to be a student of your college because I may have some work there, right? So whenever you visit a college and you want to tell about your location to someone, you can say I am at college. But if you say I am in college, it means that you are a student. Now we will take a look at the next pair of sentences. The first sentence from the next pair is she is in the hospital. So when you use the preposition in, it indicates that she is a patient and undergoing treatment in that hospital. So she has been hospitalized and she is undergoing treatment. So when you use the preposition in this sentence, it says that someone is ill and undergoing treatment. But if you take a look at this sentence, the second sentence, it says she is at the hospital. Now I have used the preposition at. Now we are referring to her physical location. She is not a patient, she is there as a visitor. We may have some work in a hospital, so we may go there and in order to, maybe you want to visit some patient or someone. Let's say someone is undergoing treatment. He or she could be your relative or your friend. So you just visit a hospital, and when someone asks you where are you, then you can say I am at the hospital. It means that you are at that location, but you are not there as a patient. Well, the next pair is Rahul was in an event. Now try to understand the preposition. I have used the preposition in. So when we use the preposition in before the word event, it means that someone is actively participating in that event. So they are a part of that event. The sentence says that Rahul was in an event. It means Rahul was a part of that event. He was performing some role in that event. So he had some role to be performed and he was doing something actively there. That is why we are using the preposition in. But what about this sentence? What does it tell us? Just take a look at the sentence. Rahul was at an event. Now try to understand the difference between in and at. So when you say Rahul was at an event, it means that you are referring to the location of Rahul where that event was taking place. So you are referring to the location where that event was taking place. Now you can also say that I met Rahul at an event. So it is just a location, right? But if you say Rahul was in an event, it means that Rahul was doing something in that event. He was actively participating there. But in second sentence where I have used the preposition at, it means that Rahul was present at that location, maybe as audience or something else. Well, the last pair we have is this is not the last pair actually. This is the second last pair. That is, I'm in a meeting. What is the meaning of this sentence? So the preposition in indicates that you are actively present or you are actively attending a meeting. You are sharing some information and you are also receiving some information, which is why your active participation was there. So you were in a meeting. So let's say I say I am in a meeting. It means that I am attending that meeting actively. I am receiving some information or I am also speaking about something or on some topics. But what about this sentence? This is I am at a meeting. Is this sentence incorrect? No. This is a correct sentence, but the meaning changes. A small preposition changes a huge difference in the meaning of a sentence. The meaning of this sentence is I am referring to the location of meeting where that meeting is taking place. Or let's say there is a helper beside you who is helping you with water and coffee. Whenever you need some help, you just call him and that person just gets you what you want. So that person is present at the meeting, but he is not a part of your meeting. He is just working there as a helper. So that person is at the meeting, but you are in the meeting. Why? Because you are attending the meeting, you are receiving some information and you are also sharing some information. So you are a part of that meeting, but the helper who is standing near you is at the meeting, not in the meeting. Well, now we have the last pair of sentences, and the first sentence from the last pair of sentences is my brother is in a bank. Now when you use the preposition before the word bank, it tells you about the employment. So my brother is employed by a bank. Let's say someone asks me, what does your brother do? And I say my brother is in a bank. It means that my brother works there. So he's an employee, right? But if you take a look at this sentence, second sentence that says my brother is at a bank right now. Now there is difference between these two sentences because I have used a different preposition in sentence number 2. The sentence says about location. It speaks about location. It is referring to some location. So my brother is at a bank right now. It means that my brother is physically available near a bank building or near a particular bank or in the building of a bank. So now it is being referred to location of my brother. My brother is at a bank. I hope you understood this difference, and definitely you will start using these prepositions correctly in your English conversation. So it depends on the context in which you are using these prepositions. Be careful while using them. Thank you very much.